Hi guys, now we are in the cabin and I'm very cold. Look how big this is. Okay, wait. Oh man, I'm sorry guys, you can't see. But we have a swing over there. We can see the view over there. And there's inside the door. And look at all of this. I'm freezing, so that's why I'm shaking a little bit. And look, we have a flag there. Now we're going to show you inside. Oh! Oh! We need to turn on the lights. Okay? Oh, look, we have our bathroom here. We have a room here. I'm sorry, it's dark. You cannot turn on the lights. Does not work. But there's a bed. Oh, we have downstairs. I'm not going in there.
You understand?
No. There's upstairs and downstairs. There's a rocking chair. There's the kitchen. There's the freezer. Oh, I'm gonna lock you guys. I'm gonna lock you guys inside. Okay, bye. There, you got out. Okay. I'm sorry that my dad put this from the car that you were seeing outside. My dad still has it, so this is seem weird. So that's it. We have our kitchen here. Our backpack with the shoes. This is the view from outside where we can eat outside, but we're not going to eat outside because it's very scary. I don't think so. Oh, we have checkers. I know how to play checkers. It's my favorite. We have a bedroom up here. A bedroom. I said bedroom. This is gonna be fun. This is the best day ever that I get to explore house. So we can go down here in the basement. I think this is the basement. Oh, now this is the basement from Hello Neighbor. Oh, snap! There's a bunk bed. There's a bunk bed. Sorry. Sweetie, come. I'm scared. There's a bunk bed. There's a bunk bed. Oh, that was so awesome. I know. See? Doesn't look like it. Yeah, it is. Look at looks aquí. There's a chair. There's a TV. Wow, there's a book. Okay. So we show them around the place. But I need to use the bathroom. And now shake it.
Okay, Sophie, ahora muévela.
Oh, I'll touch it.
Sophie, mira.
Mira,
Touch it.
Sophie.
In the water.
Feels weird.
¿Cómo está Isaac?
Now, you want to hold this with both hands. We're going to let this side in the water first at an angle a little bit. Not all the way down, right there. Let it fill up. Lower it. And shake it real easy in there like this. There you go. And we'll set it here. So some mud now. Take all your good stuff. This will be your table. You can do the same. You see how I done it? Lower this side
Wait,
first.
wait. These are the stuff that I found. That's
Okay,
it.
lower this one. Now both together. Let it fill up. There you go. And then shake it. And then set it right back up. Turn it this
I
way.
know this rock. I know this rock. I have one of these.
Bear with
Oh,
the
this
big
is
horn
one.
and
This one's the.
The moose?
yeah.
Oh, this one's the rose court.
It's actually her one last night.
Might have been the coyote.
Probably was a Sasquatch.
A lot of those.
Dice que puede ser un Sasquatch.
Bueno, ahorita acá.
Ahora la
Sophie,
nieve.
Sophie. Anda poniendo la... Exacto. Ahí esas están bellas.
A ver qué encontraste. Sophie, mira la piedra que encontraste, mira. Gold. Sí.
Eso también.
Oh, look what I found. Look what I
Mira,
found.
esto es un cuarzo, ¿no?
That's a
Sí,
rose.
esos cuadros.
Es un cuarzo.
I got a rose court. Me too. ¿Ya yo gané un otro scoop?
Sí, fue para otros.
Bonito.
A ver.
Ah, enseña, ese es bonito.
Ah, qué bonito.
Qué
Ya,
lindo,
papi, ya.
mira esa.
Ah, sacúdelo así.
Oh, look at this one. This one is like...
Porque son bonitas las piedras. Lindas.
¿Tú quieres, papi, uno? ¿Tú quieres? Yo agarro una bala de ahí de esta piedra aquí.
Oh, I buy one of these. I buy one of these. I buy the Pride. The Pride.
Ahora bájalo ahí. Ya, ahí mira.
Fucking golden
Ahora sí.
Albert.
Mira,
Let me see.
ahí está oro.
Yeah, having fun, a lot of fun.
No, no, pero, ¿qué tú quieres?
Mira un otro. Mira.
Ay, qué lindo.
Se cayó.
Mira, he has it with the hand.
Se cayó.
Abuela, mira que yo busco.
Oro.
Ay, qué lindo, Isaac.
Muchachos, si eso fuera de oro, tú sabes cómo es. Comíamos de gratis de aquí a Miami 10 veces.
And this is all what I found, guys. This one's supposed to be like woods. No, because it's a rock. It looks like wood. Bro, save it for the house. Ooh. And this is the map.
Hay mermelada de higo.
And we're going to Long Creek Falls. So you see it there? Long Creek Falls. Hi guys, now we're here. We're in Fall Branch Waterfall. To see a waterfall. Oh, hey! I found a stick! I found a stick! This is for you, okay? Give me that stick. I need that stick. This is for you. I can't. Isaac. By 60, we don't talk about 5. We talk about what's on the new one. My dad has a stick, my sister has a stick, my grandma has a stick, I have a stick. But not my mom or my grandpa. They don't have a stick. My grandpa's gonna find one. Oh, mira.
Hello, how far it is?
Oh, it's not very far.
It's not too far.
Much further. It does get a little steep though.
Ah, okay. Huh?
Eso para tú. Okay, now we're here. My grandma missed the whole thing because she's tired right now. I'm gonna stay on the floor. If I stand on this rock and I jump to that rock, and then after I go to that rock and now I might go up. Hi guys, we're walking to a drift store and we're going to ride the horses today. Oh, and we're going to ride horses today. And hopefully they help and they make us hold the GoPro. Now my grandma, my sister, and my mom is waiting here until my dad finishes, until the people finish doing the car. And then I'm not going to do pictures. Just kidding. Okay. One time in Slurtarayo,
Ya no gastes tanto.
I went in like a other YouTube channel. My skin was rainbow, like different colors, and that's what I did. Now we're walking. Then I'm going to tell you when we're there. Okay, now we're here in the shop. And look, there's a teapot. There's jewelry. And there's shoes. More than. They have a library. In there. What was that? A porch. Ferrari.
You know, for where I am.
Their shoes. And look what they have. They have picture. And more stuff. Okay. Now we finished the train and I think I was sleeping, so that's why. But that was a boring train. It was boring. Fly went in, but he can't get out. The picture, I was sitting down there. They don't know.
Here's Georgia. Here's Georgia.
Yeah.
Here's Tennessee.
We're in the middle.
We're in the middle. This is Georgia over here. And when you cross the blue line, now this is Tennessee.
I'm in Tennessee. And now I'm in Georgia. Tennessee? Oh, there's Tennessee. We're still in Georgia. That's Tennessee. Why everyone's going to right now. comment down below and like this video. Uh-huh. I'm in the line. I really want to go inside this, but there's boards. Why don't like people let people go inside this? Just gonna relax here. Oh my hand! This one's small. Four people right there. Ew, look, you can see the garbage. The garbage.
Very slow, very careful.
Look at those cars. There are more rails. And now just stickers. This one is more wiggly. We can jump and jump. Welcome down to work. Maybe we can save battery.